Hello there and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you for joining me today. Before we get started, I wanted to look back at our past video, which was making over my living room and making it warm and cozy for fall. So in today's video, we're going to be spreading that same warmth into my kitchen. So I'm giving you an overview of my kitchen. This is early morning. It's around 8 o'clock. It's before I get started for work. So I'm deciding to get started on this project, and then I'm going to pick it up later after work. So as you can see, I have my dishes that I washed overnight, the items that I needed to hand wash, and they're drying. So I'm going to put those away. And then I'm also going to be emptying the dishwasher because I ran that overnight as well. I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoy the video. I just want to say I love sharing my clean with me before I start decorating. But if you're just here for the decorating, there's going to be timestamps in the description that you can fast forward to the decorating part of the video. I know a lot of you love this part of it and you love the tips and you just like the process. So I always like to include it in the videos. And I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. I love fall and I love the time of year when the season is changing, the weather is cooling down, and we're able to start getting nice and cozy in our home. And I always take the time to just add special touches to my home. And then I also take the time to do maintenance on things that I don't get a chance to be able to do throughout the year, but I always take the time during the fall season to just take care of those items. So if you're like me, I know this time of year you have tons of lists and you're checking them off. So I hope that you find some inspiration in this video, and if I'm doing some things that you don't do, make sure that you add it to your list if you think that it will help you out in your home as well, because that's what I'm here for, to inspire and to just build a community. So the cleaner that I use is a Trader Joe's. It's like a cedar all-purpose cleaner. I use that on the backsplash and also on the countertop. So now that we have that nice and clean, I am going to be using my stainless steel cleaner that I absolutely love. I'm going to have as much as I can linked inside of my LTK so that you guys can shop the products that I'm using and the decor that I'm using as well. So it's going to be linked in the description. So one of those maintenance things that I was talking about is I polish and condition all of my wood items that I have in my kitchen. This is what I use. I'm going to have it linked in my affiliate links, which is my LTK, and my Amazon links, which is going to be in the description. So this product works so well to just rejuvenate all of your wood items. So I put it on, I let it set anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, and then I buff it in, and it looks amazing when it's done. So now that we have all of our wooden cutting boards and everything nice and shiny, this is always the first thing that I do. I add back my wooden staple elements, and then I start building my decor from there. To my wooden elements, I'm adding in this leaf bowl that I picked up at HomeGoods a couple of weeks ago. It was the only fall item that really spoke to me that was wooden, so I wanted to make sure that I was able to use it inside of the kitchen, and I think that it is going to be perfect right here by the sink. I grabbed this little pumpkin, which is adorable. It was in the little checkout aisle at HomeSense, and it was only for $4.99, and I think that it looks perfect here on my sink. I went and I grabbed my copper utensil holder to swap out. And I love using copper. Obviously, I love wood, but I love copper and how warm it is for the season. So it's about 7 o'clock now. I just finished work. I had another meeting afterwards. So I came down and I'm going to finish off decorating. And we're just going to continue building into our little vignettes. So in my living room video, I had pulled out a couple of the roses in this peachy color. And actually, no, in the living room, I used the burgundy. That's why I only have one left. So I'm going to be using the peachy color ones here in the kitchen. And I'm just going to be arranging it. I like these this little set of stems. I picked it up at HomeSense and I love it because it's very pliable, so I'm able to bend it and make it look very natural. So I decided that the maroon ones I'm going to be adding over in the coffee area, but on this little vignette I think that it's perfect just adding in this peachy color. I think it pops very nicely with the copper. And then I'm also adding in these little dessert terracotta plates. And then I found this beautiful apple, which I'm going to be adding a little later into the vignette. But for now, we're going to move over to the coffee section and we're just going to add in that burgundy color rose into this little bud vase. For the fall season, I just brought out my black teapot and my black little cups. This is a staple setup that we have year round. The only thing is I swapped the different teapots out. So before I had the clear one, and now we're going in with more of the black aesthetic inside of the kitchen. So I finally got my hand on this cookbook. I have wanted it for a while. I picked it up at one of my recent trips to Home Goods. And I also picked up this beautiful pumpkin amber candle and also this green color enchanted. It's a midnight teak wood and it smells divine. I picked up these towels at Home Goods during the summertime. Like literally the first time that I saw any fall inside of Home Goods, I grabbed these because I love the aesthetic. I love that they're neutral, but they have like the fall vibe. And I just think that it matches so perfectly with the kitchen. So this is just a quick video doing a quick refresh and adding touches to warm up my kitchen. So we're going to light the candle and then we're going to do the reveal. I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you found the video inspirational? If you did, leave a leaf emoji inside of the comment section. And then at the end of the video, I am just going to showcase my front porch again. In case you haven't watched that video, it was shared on Daphne's Outdoor Living and it's going to be linked in the description. So until the next time, have a blessed day.
We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand